My baby tell me more. I think she love me more than me. My baby tell me more. She want me not to my money. I think she love me. I think she love me more than me. I think she love me. Trying to jump on top of me. Hold up, man, goddamn. Hold up. I gotta put this, cause we gonna mess around and accidentally knock the phone off. So I gotta put this thing over here where they can see us go crazy. Hold on.
Wait a minute, selector.
Hold on. We had to bring that one back. Because I don't think y'all understand what this really is, man.
What was that?
Oh my goodness. You ready? Hey. Solo. 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 My baby tell me more. I think she love me more than me. My baby tell me more. She want me not to my money. I think she love me. I think she love me more than me. I think she love me. She trying to jump on top of me. Whoa. I think she love me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hold on, who's calling and interrupting?
Can't interrupt.
Who's
International
calling and interrupting?
talker.
We're on live. You cannot interrupt while we're on live. Let's go.
Bomba clad.
Who is interrupting the sound right now? Oh my goodness. Hold on one second. I gotta answer this call. Because if I don't, they're gonna keep on goddamn interrupting.
Yo. This shit is fun.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Alright, let's bring this shit back. You gotta start it from the top again. You can look, by the way, you cannot call me when I'm on live.
Don't do it.
Let me go live. Solo.
Like, can we see you? Pick up the phone.
Yeah, that's what's happening. My baby tell me more. I think she love me more than me. My baby tell me more. She want me not to my money. I think she love me. I think she love me more than me. I think she love me. She trying to jump on top of me. Whoa, I think she love me. Yeah, yeah. I think she love me more than me. They say that she miss me. She don't care about nobody, and I don't care about what you see. She just said that she love me. She my own. Oh, it's got crazy! Oh my God! The beat can't even stay on long enough. The beat can't even stay on long enough. Oh my goodness! Hold up! The beat can't even stay on long enough before this thing falls to the ground.
The African gods is here.
Huh?
Jesus.
All right, hold on. We may have to switch the song. Maybe that song is too
hot. It's too hot.
All right, so let's try another one. Just so you know. Hold on one second. Let me make sure.